beautiful YouTube family? Welcome back to the E portion of T.E.L.L Joanne. I am your girl Joanne. Guys, we are continuing to go down the list of the songs that you guys had recommended. But before we get to that, you guys already know what we're about to do if you are part of the family, aka you're already subscribed. But if you're new to the channel, this is when I say hello, 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 hello. I hope you've been enjoying the list. Now, put me on pause. We're gonna just have a beverage of choice. Hit that subscribe button so that you can become part of this amazing community. And on the count of 3, we'll do our cheer. 1, 2, 3. All right, so the next song is Stevie Ray, Texas Flood. This is my first time ever even hearing of Stevie Ray. So guys, thank you for introducing me to all these new artists this week. Let's go. Come on.
sunshine every day.
Going back home, leaving that bad relationship. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was so amazing. Woo! Oh man, I need to get me some more blues. I need to listen to me some more blues and some more jazz. This is what I needed. Don't touch the spot. Oh my goodness. You guys just introduced me to a new artist, Stevie Ray. You know your girl is going to go down that rabbit hole right now. And I will be listening to another Stevie Ray song, so definitely tune in tomorrow at the same time. Stevie Ray, Texas Flood. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Woo! Yes. Yes. I'm going to listen to another one right now. Definitely tune in tomorrow for more Stevie Ray. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, which of Stevie Ray's song is your favorite. And I'm going to see you guys on the next reaction. Wow.